In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Display. Then scroll down and click on Font Size and Style. Following that, go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Now to get Rosemary one, click on this icon next to it, or tap on it and choose Install. When your new font is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!